Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Mathletics account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to sign up or create a new account on Mathletics, go open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.mathletics.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. In order to sign up for a new account, go and mouse over to this free trial button at the top right and select either you'd like to sign up for a school or for a home user. Select any one option and give it a click. Soon after you do that, follow the on-screen prompts on the next page. Go ahead and fill in your details that has been asked to you in the display. Start off with your name and your last name on the next. Type in a valid email address you'd like to sign up with into the email address text box and type in your phone number on the next field. Select your job title from the drop-down and select your country from the next. Once you select your country, select your state and then type in your postcode or your zip code, enter your school's name or any other information that has been asked to you. Once you enter all of the information that has been asked to you, make sure you check this little box right here that says I agree to the 3B learning terms and conditions. And if you'd like to sign up for monthly newsletters, educational contents and much more, you can check this little box beneath as well. If you don't want to do that, simply leave the box unchecked and now tap on the submit button at the bottom of the screen. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to sign up for a new account on Mathletics. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.